Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your online status on WhatsApp. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. At the beginning, for sure, you need to open WhatsApp app from here. And then up to the right corner, you're going to click on these 3 points for settings and then choose settings option over here. And now click on privacy, which is the second option between account and avatar. And then here we have multiple options, such as last seen and online, profile photo, about, and status. So here you can choose last seen and online, and you can change it from who can see my last seen, everyone, or my contacts, or nobody. And also here, who can see when I'm online, you can make it to everyone or same as last seen. So that was all in today's video. If you found this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.